Junior Potential Award is presented to a child from Year 1 to 4 who displays excellence in all our school values.
Can we please welcome Judy and Kenny to present the special award?
Okay, this is always a very exciting part of the evening for Wakarimu. Obviously you can all see there is heaps of potential up here on this stage, which makes our job very difficult. Saying that, it's very hot potential up here, I can tell you. With that in mind though, it's always a difficult decision, and this year, as in some years and sometimes in previous years, we've actually ended up choosing 2 children, and they are people who show potential not only in their learning but across all areas of the school life that they lead, and they really have stood out. So, pretty exciting. Katie.
Can we please have a big paki for Cedric, Solo and Van Tong Lian.
Can you please come up to acknowledge some special people?
Not only do we have some children doing a great job in their learning, I'd also like to acknowledge some teachers. I would like to acknowledge one of our teachers who this past 2 years completed it over a year, completed a postgraduate certificate in digital and collaborative learning, Claire Brown. Teacher is very hard and it takes many hours, so to study outside of their teaching job is quite an effort. Well done, Claire. Another one of our teachers has been on a year-long apprenticeship training to be a reading recovery teacher, in which he supports children to get intensive one-to-one instruction to 6-year-olds who have learning difficulties with literacy learning. And that acknowledgement is for Daniel Bell. One of our teachers, well, quite a few of our teachers at different times, but this year I'd like to acknowledge the efforts of a teacher who has done her 2 years of being provisionally registered. When you train to become a teacher, you have to kind of then come and teach, and then you become fully registered. So I would like to acknowledge the past 2 years of effort, and she's done a wonderful job, Megan Mathers.
Now I'm going to present some special awards. The Leafley Duncan Award for Progress in English